This is the trade and strategy that was able to make me $6,000 live, and if you want to see it, you can see it right here. All right, so you can be able to make money using this strategy. It's very simple. All you need to do is to understand how the system works. Right, so it's actually using smart money concepts, and that's what I teach more basically on this channel. Right, and it's not that you can't use a retail method. Surely you can use a retail method and make a lot of money, but you must know exactly what. But I just want to share with you the trading strategy and the trade that actually made me such amount of money. So I decided to make this today just to show you, so that you can learn one or two. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me with a comment below, because as time goes on, I'm going to be doing a free giveaway on this video, like free giveaway. So to win the free giveaway, all you need to do, you must be a subscriber, you must like and comment. All right, so what you want to do right now is pause this video, like this video, comment, and ensure you are already a subscriber. All right, because I'm going to be picking a random winner, and maybe my next video or in my subsequent videos. So once we get to a certain amount of comments, like 50 comments, I'm going to do free giveaway. And what are you going to win? You are going to win either free access to the FXTD VIP signals. You are going to get a $10,000 funding account, or you are going to have a one-on-one live session with me. So either of those three, I'm going to pick one, and the winner, we are going to select the winner live. All right, guys, let's lay that aside. Let's dive right in. So this is the chart, and this was on the 19th of April, I believe it was, right? Even though after that, we've been able to record successful trades, which is really nice. We are quite doing well in the aspect of strategy in this channel. All right, so in fact, let me just go in. So let me use the replay feature so as to show you a few things. So at this point in time, we need to understand first. All right, so let me pull this out. So don't say that is an insight. No, it's not just an insight. It's something. Look at it. It's something that we do every time. Like, we do this regularly. Like, you can see how it was, this trade was entered. All right, now they are losing trades as well. It's not that they are all accurate. All right, they are losing trades as well, just like this one. Okay, you can see that right there, but this is a winning trade. So out of around 5 trades, we only have 1 loss, and that's what you have there. So I'm not here to tell you whether so let's just dive right in. And now what we see here is, you see this. Let me go to the 1 hour. Now I'm going to call this out again because price was not here. As you can see, this was where price were before the prediction. This was where the price actually were, this particular one. All right, so basically, what did I see that made me to say, okay, price might likely do that? Now on the hard time frame, we are seeing, I just want you to take note of this. On this hard time frame, we are seeing a downtrend. We are seeing a down move. Price is moving to the downside, right? So you must first of all establish the trend. You must first of all establish where price is and where price might likely go. So once you've been able to do that, you will be able to decipher if this is the time, okay, for me to enter the trades, or just for me to wait. Okay, so on the hard time frame, like the 4 hours, like the 1 hour, so I'm not going to go to the 4 hours because this is a replay feature. There's a way the replay feature works, right? And it takes experience to know exactly how to backtest with it, because some of you don't really know how to backtest with it. So maybe I will make another video on how you can actually backtest using TradingView the right way, because some of you really don't know how to backtest using the replay feature. I believe me when I say that it's not just about cutting the price. There is a way to do it. That's why at times whenever you are done backtesting, you find out that everything you backtested is not working. Now that's one of the reasons. Right, so we've seen that price is at a nice level. Right there, price is at a nice level. Why? Because we've seen a break in structure. We've seen a break of market structure at this level, and at this zone, this is the sell stop. This is the sell stop, and there is a lot of space to be covered here. A lot of fair value gaps to be covered here, right? And liquidity is being built up. All right, liquidity is being built up, and we're aware of that most of the time liquidity will have to be taken out, right? So at least some of the time. So this low, look at this low refused to take out this low. It didn't take it, neither did it create an equal low. So that's one of the indication that okay, price might be ready to go to the upside. But meanwhile, where price is currently now, we are seeing that price have been respecting this high, and probably might respect this high. So that's where we come in. So we wait for price to get into the zone, and on the 15 minutes we can find that happening. Ouch. Okay, so basically also understand that the liquidity is lying there. Liquidity is everywhere. So basically, for those of you who have not watched my Asian strategy, you have the video right here. Where are you? The video is somewhere here that will teach you the Asian strategy in-depthly. Ouch. So okay, so this is I think so just go to the channel and okay, I think this is it. All right, the one with 5,000 views. Okay, so let's see. All right, so let's play this. So immediately price have gone into, remember this time we have not entered this trade. Price have traded into a possible point of interest where we might really be looking out for, for entries, and we have seen rejection 1 2 3. So whenever you see a reaction 1 2 3 on the 15-minute time frame, that's one of the indication that price might likely reverse. Right, I'm not saying that price will reverse 100%, but there's a likelihood that it's going to reverse. Okay, so what you do is you wait patiently. And there is another thing that you need to understand. You need to know, okay, where is liquidity lying? Is there liquidity anywhere? Where can price reverse? Is there a possibility that price might reverse anytime soon? So those are the things you just have to consider in order for you to place a trade. All right, so basically you can see now there's already willingness for price to go down. All right, so that's why this prediction is here. So when price gets in here, we're going to take our sell. Right, though take note of this, though sorry to say guys, some of the details are withheld for my students only, because my student, they actually paid for it. Right, so though this confirmation, this is one of the confirmations. And what's the confirmation? This could be it. Right, you see a candle like this, and you see another candle like this. Right, so this could be one of the confirmations you might want to be looking out for, the engulfing confirmation. Right, and I have a video on the channel too, but I really don't know where that video is right now. Right, so all you have to do is you get in with, after this break of structure, you wait. Okay, you wait for a confirmation, you wait for a retracement, for price to to retrace back. And you can see this was the candle that tagged us in. You can see that that's just 5 pips. All right, 5 pips. And actually I was expecting that price should be able to come take out this liquidity here, because you can see liquidity 1 1 2 3, right? So it's a liquidity, a trend line liquidity. And at the same time, if you pull out the trend line, you can see that okay, if price gets here, should be able to break through at least to take out this liquidity for that particular day. But it was unfortunate that price didn't actually get there, but I was able to take my profit because I know the game, right? Not 100%, but to an extent I know the game. So this I've been able to tag us in, and I want you to take note of this candle that looks like an hammer. I really don't know names of candle that much, don't blame me, okay? Don't blame me. If you know it, just let me know. Okay, so definitely I know that there might be a reaction there, so that's why you see one of the profits, take profit, which is around 1 to 3, okay, that's 1 to 4 risk to reward. You can see it right there. For those of you who can see it very well, can see it, 1 to 4 risk to reward right there. So you should be expecting a reaction from there, and at the same time I was really expecting that price coming trade below it in order for you to take out this low at least. But let's see how it pans out. So price wasted a lot of time, stayed around and stayed around, like price stayed around. Look at that, almost tagged us out, but we're not out. And before then guys, before then we had already left. Look at this. So at first our take profits have been hit. First take profit have been hit, and that's how I was able to make the $6,000 you see on your screen. All right, so it's very, very simple, and it's something that I believe everyone can actually do. I mean everyone, including you. You can do this. You can do this. If I can do this, so this was another entry and another day, and you can do this if you know exactly how things work. So that's why I always, I always tell people, as you try as much as you can to learn, to give yourself to study. Don't just give yourself to study the right materials. All right, so for those of you who have been asking about the FXTD Academy, feel free, link is in the video description. That is the official link. So any other link you receive or anybody telling you to send them money, don't do that. That is not me. I will never tell you to send me money first. All right, and I will never message you first. Take note of that. All right, so that's it. That's exactly the strategy that can actually make you tons of money, can help you to double your account, can help you to know exactly what to do. So that's exactly how I was able to do it, and I believe you can do it as well. So remember, free giveaway, like, comment, be a subscriber. And on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram too, because all link is in the video description. Because when you follow me on Instagram, free giveaways will be coming on too. So I might be picking people randomly, either from the YouTube comment or from my Instagram page. And if you are not following me yet on Telegram, then you are wrong. Follow me there, because I send some signals there as well, from time to time, right? Aside from the premium channel, I send free signals from time to time as well. Okay, so God bless you. Thank you very much for your time.